Hello guys and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we are going to talk so short about the market. Let's check the chart that I showed in the last video. Also, let's keep the progress of the altcoins that I did analyze here on 4 or 5 videos before here in my channel. So let's check how they performed. And once again, it's being proved that buying the fear is the most good thing that you can do as a trader or as an investor, because the fear stages are the stages where you can build your wealth. So every time, the golden rule, every time when we have greed, we should be cautious and not hold too much and start taking profits. And of course, the opposite, every time when we have fear, we should be cautious if we are not buying. So, of course, every video that I do here is for educational purposes and not it's not an financial advice. So let's start first. Let's check the progress of the three altcoins that I mentioned on my video. The first one, ARKM. The first one, it was Sonic, then ALGO, and then ARKM. So let's go at the chart and let's check Sonic. And if you remember, we checked the FTM chart because FTM migrated to Sonic, and this was the zone, one of the zones that I said that for me, it's a good buy. It's a good zone to buy. So let's just check if we bought here at 25, which I did. The profit went to 65%. Now it's almost 55%. And the expectations of the rally that will come and the season that will come is of course much higher. But the good thing here is that I'm sitting in comfortable buy zone. So even if we got the pullback that I want to have, that pullback, of course I will add more on my portfolio. So yeah, this is the profit right now on the Sonic. In my opinion, it's a good one. So let's check Algo now. And yeah, also Algo was at the 17 cents zone where I proposed and I bought also for myself. So let's check the raise here. It went to almost 100% in profit. So imagine just in a month, because I posted that video where I mentioned Sonic, Algo, and Arkham 1 month ago, and now after 1 month, it went almost 96% or almost 100% in profits, and now we are at 69 percent in profit. So this is a good profit for 1 month. And imagine the thing that we are waiting to sell these coins higher and higher. So we have good spot entry zone, and I'm going to hold that for more profit, because I think this is just the beginning. Even if we will have that pullback that I want to have. And let's check Arkham. Also, the zone that I wanted to buy Arkham was this zone here. So let's check from here what it did. It went to 40% profits, and now it's at 33%. Also, I like Arkham how it looks. I like the zone where Arkham is, because as you can see, the risk reward here is so good. Also, if we check to Algo, the risk reward is so good here. So yeah, we are comfy in these zones, even that we have that pullback. The good thing is that we bought on the zones that most of the people would not buy because they was feared. And yeah, they will, of course, they will come in the market. The retail will come in the market, but not, of course, in our prices, because uh, most of the retail will not buy when we have the fear, and that's the biggest mistake that people continuously do that and they don't buy in in these zones. So yeah, this is what we generated from three coins that I mentioned on my video 1 month ago. It's going good. I think it will be better. And in my opinion, if we get that pullback that I am waiting, uh, I should or whoever wants to play this game of crypto, this games of trading, every time in big pullbacks, in big dips where there are a lot of fear, a lot of food, just yeah, the simple way is the simple way to make money is just uh, to push that buy button in the fear and sell button in the greed. So now let's check the chart that I mentioned on the last video about total. Not this one. Let here. So yeah, we are we are expecting that pullback, and as we can see, we have broke this zone. Now we are testing this. We are trying to break this resistance. Also, it's very important how this week gonna close. If it closes under the this inner trend line or this resistance, I think we're gonna have that pullback that's gonna send us at 100K Bitcoin. The thing is that the chart is in weekly. This candle here is a bullish candle. So for traders and for most of traders that they use technical analysis, this turned them so bullish. So in my opinion, we need to be cautious here. As a potential, of course, my opinion about the total market of cryptocurrencies this year will be around $5 trillion. And in my opinion, if we get that pullback and we see, and we're gonna see the rotation happening on Ethereum, which is happening right now, to be honest, and also in the other altcoins, and some of the altcoins, I believe they're gonna fly. So after this one, let's check total two. Yeah, I mentioned last time, uh, clear breakout here. Wanted to come in this zone to try to break the zone, so it didn't do that. It couldn't break it one day until the weekly close. If we close under this zone, probably we're gonna come retest and then fly back. And the sex total three, which is very also interesting. Yeah, this one also. If it wanted to break this resistance here, it couldn't do that. Now I think we are trying to break it again, and if we close also under this trend line here, we're gonna have that pullback, and then we are going to fly where the alt season will start. So yeah, this is about totals, how the things are going. I think we are on the plan since the beginning, and when I remember when I started the videos, I think it was the perfect time. The timing was perfect to start with those videos because we was nailing every time with every move. So now, what I probably will do, I will do just short videos just to keep you updated of what I think will happen on the market until the alt season will get finished. And of course, when the alt season is finished and the markets start to dump, most of the influencers and most of the crypto guys, they will disappear again. And you know, like one interesting thing right now happening is that a lot of influencers, they started to activate their Telegram groups, their Discord groups, and if you don't know why, it's because they want to share as much as they can. First one to dump on their followers, and the second one is because they get paid for different projects to shell. So the more they sell, the more they get paid. And this is one of the signs that we can get that pullback and then send the retail out of the game with that pullback. Then start the alt season, bring pullback, bring retail again as exit liquidity. So yes, this is how it works. We need to be one step or two steps ahead of the retail if we want to win something, because it's so hard for us, and I think in most of the times it's impossible. It's impossible to beat the smart money. So what we need to do is to beat that 1% of retail, or to be on that 1% of retail that they can generate profits here. But the best way to generate profits again on the crypto market is just to use fear and greed as big indicator. So start taking profits when the greed is so high. Start buying when the fear is so high. So it's easy as it sounds, but it's so hard to practice it, because when it's a lot of fear, it's too hard to press the buy button. And also when the market is buying, it's so hard to press the sell button and to fight your greed. So yeah, in general, things are going good. I'm still so bullish. I was talking with a friend. I said to him that the last 3 years, I never was more bullish than this time. So, in my opinion, I want also to give some big hope here is that gold times are coming this year in crypto. Make sure to take your profits. Make sure to book profits when the times come. Don't let the market take your profit. Don't let the market take your hard work, because just imagine, especially the guys that are here since a last bull run, they suffered a lot. They added more money just to DCA or whatever they did, just to win something from the crypto. So if the profits will uh, come to you, let's say in this way, don't ignore them. Start booking profits and prepare for the market, for the bear market. In the bear market, start building your positions again. I'm telling to you the things that I do for myself, to start building the position in the bear market and be ready for the next cycle. Because, in my opinion, the next bear market will be so hard. The legislation is gonna hit a lot of projects, a lot of exchanges. So you need to make sure you book profits in the right time this time, because I know a lot of people from the last bull run, they didn't book profit at the right time, and then they became holders because the market wanted to make them holders, not that they wanted, because they didn't got profit in time. So yeah, don't stop building in any way. Like, build your positions, build something in crypto, even if you are a developer or whatever you are. You need to manage your fear and greed, book profits, then invest the profits when the time comes, and etc. etc. This is the cycle that will happen every time. It will happen every time. Every time is the same thing. There is no different time. So be cautious. Book your profits. Start learning about crypto, and like, you can learn a lot about crypto, about technicals, about financial markets, but if you're not brave enough, and if you're not brave enough to buy when the fear hits and to sell when the greed hits, it's hard to do it, or to make it, because I know a lot of good TAs that are in crypto space, but they are not brave enough. So that's why they can't make money. You need in the financial markets, you need to be so brave if you want to generate profits that we want. So yeah, this is for today's video. I don't want to do it to go uh, to do it to take more minutes because I think 15 minutes it's enough. So yeah, what probably I will do in the next days is in the next videos is just keep you updated of what's happening with the market. So see you and see you in the next video and thank you for being here.